arguments, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just rebuttals of what they have said.
Yes, Your Honor, in answer to the arguments that were raised by the defense, the prosecution wants to submit that if there were 30 civil dress people boarded on that ship, never the military necessarily justifies the killing of 30 people, and the people who they have a doubt on that whether they were militants or whether they were civilians. Your Honor, it is the prosecution also wants to submit that the fact clearly create a difference between the people who were militants and the people who were civil dress. That shows that the people that were civil dress, they were civilians. Your Honor, the prosecution also wants to submit that it was a warship that entered into territory of SAO. It was a warship that followed their ship and that launched the first attack. And the ship of SAO, they had no chance to recounter that attack and no chance to defend themselves. Your Honor, the prosecution also wants to submit that there could be other measures that could have been taken by the war age. They could have taken them hostages. They could have launched the gun attacks, but they preferred choosing missiles over the gun, over the attack of the gun. Your Honor, the prosecution lastly wants to submit that destroying the whole ship is not justified by military necessity when they have another option of making them horses or doing anything that is preventive. Your Honor, that is all from the side of the prosecution.
There was civilian, there was gun. So they might have think they know